Lava destroyed my house, but insurance paid $0. That is the nightmare scenario, and in Hawaii, it is a very real possibility if you didn't read the fine print. Hello my friends, welcome back. Today we are talking about the most glamorous topic in real estate, paperwork. Specifically, Hawaii Homeowner Insurance. Look, I know you want to talk about ocean views and Mai Tai cocktails, but if you don't understand what I'm about to tell you, that ocean view could turn into a financial black hole. We are covering requirements, the infamous lava zones, wind versus hurricane, yes they are different, and the stuff your agent might forget to mention. Here is the biggest lie in Hawaii real estate. I have full coverage. No, you don't. In the mainland, a standard policy covers most things. In Hawaii, a standard policy is like a bikini. It covers the essentials, but you are still very exposed. Let's break it down, starting with the hot stuff, literally. Hawaii is divided into 9 lava zones. Zone 1 is active volcano. Zone 9 is ancient history. If you are buying in zones 1 or 2, mostly on the Big Island, mainland insurance companies will ghost you faster than a bad Tinder date. You will likely need the HPIA, that's the Hawaii Property Insurance Association. It's the insurer of last resort. Now here is the deep dive fact that trips people up. Standard policies cover fire. They do not cover earth movement. So, if lava burns your house down, you might get paid. But if a wall of cold, crusty lava just pushes your house over without setting it on fire, that is earth movement. Claim denied. Check your policy for the lava flow endorsement. If you don't see it, ask for it. Next up, the wind. You said, I have wind coverage. Insurance company said, that was a hurricane, honey. Different paperwork. In Hawaii, once the winds hit 74 miles per hour, your standard wind coverage shuts off and your separate hurricane policy has to kick in. If you don't have a specific hurricane policy, you have zero coverage for anything that happens during a named storm. And the deductible, it's not a flat $500. It's usually a percentage of your home's value. If your house is worth $1 million and you have a 5% deductible, you are paying the first $50,000 before the insurance company pays a dime. Ouch! And while we're talking about storms, let's talk about water. Repeat after me. Hurricane insurance does not cover floods. If the wind rips your roof off and rain soaks your sofa, that's hurricane insurance. If the ocean rises up and walks into your living room, that is a flood. Flood insurance is a totally separate policy from FEMA. And don't tell me I'm not in a flood zone. If you live on an island, you are in a flood zone. It just hasn't flooded yet. So what does this peace of mind cost? On Oahu, standard insurance is actually surprisingly cheap, sometimes average around $600 to $800 a year for basic coverage. But once you add hurricane, bump that up another $300 to $500. Flood, add another $500. Lava zone 1 or 2, you could be looking at $3,000 to $5,000 a year easy. Pro tip, ask if the house has hurricane clips or ties. These are metal straps that hold the roof to the walls. They can save you huge money on premiums. So to recap the what's not covered list: earthquakes, unless you buy a rider; floods, unless you buy FEMA; hurricanes, unless you buy a specific policy; and usually gradual wear and tear. If a pipe bursts suddenly, covered. If it's been leaking for 6 months and you ignored it, that's on you. Look, Hawaii Paradise is worth the price of admission, but you have to know the rules of the game. Don't let a coverage gap turn your dream home into a nightmare. Aloha for now.